Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that Can-Am Commander XT Max. We just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. With the RYCO kit, you do have a couple of options. This kit is replacing the signature light portion here as you see in the video. The nice part about it, no additional holes to drill, nothing that's gonna fall off. Looks super custom, no funky brackets. How does it work? Just like a car, down will be left. We do have those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know that those turn signals are on. How does it look? Super good. Very nice, very nice. Around the back side, it ties into all of the bright LEDs in the rear. Super visibility from the sides, from the back. And while we're back here, you do have that license plate bracket as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. With the RYCO kit, you do have the ability for four-way hazards. Pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Got the headlights on there so you can see what it looks like with the headlights on. Plenty bright, looks really good. Very nice. We do have these kits in stock, ready to go. To release the four-way hazard function, go up or down with the lever. You do have the horn button integrated into the end. Now, for those of you here in Utah, we do have the ability to make a side-by-side street legal like a car. The only additional items you're going to need are mirrors. You need to have two mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can do that with a left view and a right view as you see here, or a left view and a rear view. Totally up to you. This particular kit is from Can-Am. We do have these in stock as well. What we love about this kit, it's gonna work with windshields like this all-glass windshield from USA. It does fold in and out of the way if you're pulling in somewhere tight, smack a tree, pulling it in your trailer, in your garage and want that tucked in. The glass is also adjustable, so you can move that around for different drivers. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.